Hi, I'm Martin Lundy, founder of the Garn product line, and I'm here to introduce you to the Model 1000 Garn unit. This is a smaller unit that is sized for the rural residential user that has a 1,500 to 2,000 square foot house, maybe a little bit larger if it's well insulated, and they want to heat their house in a two-car garage. It's taken us some time to develop this unit. We wanted to maintain the same simplicity and efficiency in the low emissions that we had in larger units. It has the same door as our other units, and inside we have the fully adjustable door that can be adjusted to maintain a nice airtight seal. We're running about 80% efficient with this unit, with emissions that are about 35% less than the present EPA limit. And we're running 80% efficient for a couple of reasons. This is a batch burn unit. We do not modulate the fire. It never goes on idle. So the batch burn process is coupled with horizontal gasification. Horizontal gasification is two-stage burn. There's a primary burn chamber and there's a secondary burn chamber. After we burn the fuel properly, then we go into heat exchange and pull the heat out. That's how we get to a true 80% efficient unit. After the reaction chamber, the hot gases go through a 4-pass heat exchanger to get to the inlet of the blower housing, and then the last pass of the heat exchanger is pressurized. Everything up to that blower housing is under a slight vacuum. So when you open this door while the unit is burning, minimal gases and smoke will come out this door. As soon as you open the door, the air from the room wants to be pulled into the door, and it captures most of the smoke. On this unit, we have 6 holes for 6 5.5 kW elements for electric heating, if you so wish, as a backup system. There's also a couple of ports for additional sensors that you might want to add. I'm going to swing the unit. This unit has integral thermal storage, about 980 gallons. Unlike other equipment that requires separate thermal storage for a wood burner, which requires additional controls, additional piping, additional pumps to connect it to. This is all integral. It's very simple. There's no complicated controls, and that coupled with a batch burn means there are really no complicated controls with this unit. On top, there's a manway access. That manway access allows our welders to go inside and finish welding all internal seams to minimize crevice corrosion. And if there ever was a problem in the field, you could get into the unit to fix it. On the back of the unit, this is your connection for your flue. You can go straight out to the outside wall and up, or straight out. Here we have the combustion air inlet. It draws air from the outside. It doesn't draw air out of your building. So the air gets drawn in from the outside, goes through the combustion process, and then is exhausted outside again. This is your hot water supply fitting. This fitting is used to pull the hot water off the unit to go through your radiant floor, or your baseboard, or your fan coil to heat your building. That water gives up some heat and is re-injected back into the unit through that lower dispersion tube. These units are made to be insulated on site. They're very easily insulated, and it's basically a very efficient integral thermal storage horizontal gasification residential unit. That is the Garn 1000.